Alright, another engine night here. We're out in a nice night out here. It's just starting to get dark. Mike's just getting a little bit of oil. He's working on this. He adjusted the timing, adjusted a few springs, removed a few springs. And today I put the box on here to hold the battery and the buzz coil. So he's going to oil it up now. And we're going to see how slow we got it. You know, that's usually the idea, is try to get these to run as slow as they can and quiet as they can. Before, what was it? Probably around maybe 600, 700 RPM, Mike. And
maybe it was going pretty good. So
we try and get these wheels going as many revolutions as possible.
Yeah, on the coast. Right?
Yeah. All right. I don't want to rush you, buddy, but we're burning daylight here.
Daylight. Okay. Well, let's get on and see what.
But you know what? Put it up in the grass.
Okay.
Yeah.
Just like being in a show.
Yeah.
Okay.
Got a little dirt bike with us, and Daddy dirt bike over there. Yeah, he's waving to you. Look at Mike. Even when I tell him not to wheel stuff, I keep wheeling it. I don't ever have to worry about wheeling anything.
Right.
Which is good, because I'm a painter and I hate oil.
Okay.
It's the enemy.
Oil's on. Get the batteries on. Okay.
All right, let me get a good view, buddy.
Okay, you ready?
Go ahead. Wow, look at that. I can't believe how that thing starts.
Okay.
Hey, Bill, did you get the RPM meter?
I did.
All right. You know, Mike is going to count the cam, and that's half the speed of the crank, right, Mike?
Right. So yeah, every time that cam lobe hits the follower here is 2 revolutions on the crankshaft.
All right. I think Rob Charles got 26 revolutions on his wheels, and he's got a real big one. So
On his
his domestic, yeah.
Okay.
No, actually on his wheels, I think.
Right, on his crankshaft.
Right.
Alright, well, let's see.
Mike is counting.
Alright.
I'll get real close. You guys can listen, and
I got 16 on that one.
oh, look at that. I didn't realize how dark it was out here. 16, so that would be 32?
32 revolutions.
32 revolutions.
So let's see, let's try it again. Got 17 on that one.
17. Wow. What would that be? 38? 7, 15? Huh. We also we took the muffler and we put some steel wool in there and it quieted it down, so you get a little puff out of it instead of a
crack.
Instead of a big crack. Yeah, I'm happy with that, buddy. You got that running nice now.
Yeah, that's it, and that's without any new parts really. Just tightening a few things up.
That looks like it's probably under 200 RPM or something. Throw a machine on there, buddy. Let me see if I can get that. Wow. I don't know if I can see it. What does it say, buddy? Probably about, tilt it up just a little bit. Okay. Probably about 250. Yeah, I don't know if you can't see the numbers on the top there, but that's each one of them is 100. So it goes up to just under 300, and then it'll kick back on at 100. Wow. Tilt it up a little more, buddy. Yeah, now you can see that number 5. All right, yeah, that's incredible, Mike. All right. And this thing, we don't have any water in it, and at this speed, you don't have to. You can actually touch that, and that's not even warm as a grilled cheese sandwich. That's not even warm at all. And that's what we want. Everybody says, oh, I don't run it without water. You know, you can run this thing for days without water if it runs this slow.
Yeah, this slow under no load.
Right.
I mean, it's never going to reach, 100,
right.
150.
It's not even reaching operating temperature.
No, you're right.
Look at that, man. That's a happy engine, Mike.
Yeah, it is. I'm real happy with that.
Yeah,
we haven't even put any real work into it yet.
No. We just cleaned it up a little bit and made a few adjustments. You know, I did buy some brass. I want to get rid of this
Oh, the old
this
iron.
gas fill, yeah, the black iron and the mixer. And this rod here, I don't think that's original too. I think I'm going to put a piece of brass in there. But
Bring it up a little bit, huh?
yeah, just a little bit, and make it show worthy.
The world's most prettiest hit and miss engine. Isn't that right?
Stop it. All right, well there he is, right there. Look at him.
All right.
And this drain tube, got a drain tube here, Mike. I'm going to change that to brass.
Okay.
That's where I was going to ground it out too.
Oh yeah, right under that.
Yeah, one of them nuts. Did you tighten them all? Because I remember some of them are loose.
Just the back.
Just that one?
Yeah.
Okay. Uh-oh. My head mechanic got a phone call.
Oh yeah.
Who is it? President?
Yeah, it is.
Ah!
Hey Bill, how you doing?
That's our buddy on the phone that actually sold this engine to me.
I'm working on it again right now, actually.
Tell him how many revolutions we got.
Yeah. What's that? Okay.
All right, we ain't gonna make this too long. I mean, it's just gonna keep running like this and running. Let me catch his action up here with the side shaft.
Right. Okay.
That's the latch out there. All right. All right.
Okay.
Mike is on the phone with our buddy, but we still got our other buddy here. What do you say?
Hey, buddy.
All right. Daddy Dirt Bike.
We're gonna let it fire.
All right.
When we golf.
And Mike's on the phone. Business.
Yeah.
All right. We'll see you guys in the next one.
Yeah. All right.
Thanks for watching.
We